Greetings, I am Malsanjir Sudihana with my coach Dr. Leonard Empaleta, and we are Team 1167 from the University of Southern Mindanao, Philippines. The problem we decided to tackle is Problem B, an AI Ouroboros. Nowadays, everyone uses AI, and while we use AI, these AI content engines will most likely use previously generated content as the input to train newer models. It may be adapted from other AI models or from inputs from humans ourselves. The question is, how does human AI models and AI human interaction affect the quality of a generated content? Consider the scenario. Suppose a human generated content is fed to an AI model to produce an AI generated content. Then this content is fed to another AI model trained by humans to produce a new AI generated content from the previous one. Then it is fed again to a new AI model N, and the cycle begins, which results to a quality degradation. The question is, what long-term pattern will emerge due to this AI and AI-human interaction? To answer that question, let's start with the idea of the N particles in a box where the particles denote the AI models with quality Q sub I. These particles collide with each other, which denotes the AI interaction, and upon colliding, radiates energy, which denotes the loss of quality of content production. Now, aside from AI interaction, these AI particles also collide with the wall, which can cause self-degradation, reflecting how AI models, by themselves, when repeated use, result to a decline in quality. Now, this quality degradation, however, can be mitigated by introducing a high-energy reservoir, which denotes human input that can increase the quality of an AI-generated content by pumping energy to the system. This analogy allowed me to think of a model akin to a Langevin-type equation. The assumptions in constructing the model are the following. Number 1, fully connected system. Every AI interacts with every other AI. Number 2, linearity. All influences are linear for analytical solvability. Number 3, stochasticity. Each AI is affected by Gaussian white noise. Number 4, constant human reservoir. The mean human quality M sub H is fixed. Number 5, degradation. Repeated AI self-training leads to quality decay. Through these assumptions, I have constructed the following model. The model is a Langevin-type equation which has a Gaussian white noise denoting the random fluctuations of AI on how it produces content. The variables are shown below, which you can pause to read it clearly. But the idea is that the quality of an AI model changes over time, and it is affected by terms including the AI model homogenization, which knows how AI model content quality differ from the mean quality of every AI models, AI quality self-degradation, which is the tendency of an AI model to reduce by the quality of its content, the human input, and the noise, which represents the variety of model outputs of an AI model. To extract information regarding the long-term trend, let's consider the dynamics of the mean of the AI-generated content quality and take its first-order time derivative. Taking advantage of the fact that the mean of the Gaussian white noise is 0, we get terms which depend only on the expectation value of the self-degradation parameter multiplied by individual content quality and the strength of the human input to the system. Suppose that the self-degradation parameter is constant for every AI models. We get a solution that is independent of the number of AI models, which tells us that the overall trend does not depend on how many AI models interact in the system, but only on the strength of its self-degradation and human input. However, a variable self-degradation parameter do impose dependence on the number of AI models interacting, as we will see. To see the effect of noise as well as the homogenization constant denoting the strength of the interaction of the AI models, let us take a look at the variance dynamics of the system. Given the time derivative of the AI-generated content quality with the definition of a Gaussian white noise, we define the variance of the system and take its time derivative. Taking the expectation value of the time derivative of the variance and utilizing Ito's lemma from the mathematics of the stochastic differential equations, we find expectation value of the variance as below. Consequently from these models, the trend for both the individual AI-generated quality per ith model and the mean quality for all AI models are shown in these plots, both for variable and constant self-degradation parameter gamma. We see that for a variable self-degradation parameter gamma above, the mean quality dynamics depend on the number of AI models. The trend, however, is not clear whether the mean quality increases or decreases with the increasing number of AI models interacting. Below is the trend for when the self-degradation parameter gamma is constant for all models, and we see that the mean quality is independent of the number of AI models. Interestingly, we see that the mean quality collapse for both systems, telling us that the quality do decrease over time and reaching an equilibrium denoted by the green dotted line that is below the quality of the contents humans produce, denoted by the black dashed line. Additionally, we show the effect of the beta parameter denoting the effect of human input and the gamma parameter denoting the effect of self-degradation in the above plots. We see that the overall quality increases with increasing human input beta parameter. Oppositely, the overall quality decreases with increasing self-degradation gamma parameter. Furthermore, increasing the homogenization parameter alpha, which denotes the strength of interaction between AI models, tend to lower the variance or the content diversity of the system, which means that high alpha causes a user's experience of quality to dramatically change. Since the mean quality is low, high alpha ensures consistently poor and uniform mediocrity. Oppositely, increasing the noise also increases the variance. The noise acts as a diversity preservation mechanism, which helps maintain a spread of quality levels across different AI models. The key findings are reported as following. The mean quality for a constant self-degradation parameter gamma stabilizes at m, which is proportional to the beta parameter, preventing total collapse if human input beta is maintained. Multiple AI models cause homogenization denoted by the parameter alpha reducing diversity. While it doesn't speed the average quality collapse, it creates a system-wide uniformity of low-quality output. Different model outputs, which is denoted by the noise psi, alone are insufficient to prevent a decline in average quality. They only maintain minimal diversity. Human-generated content is the critical factor that counteracts degradation and preserves long-term quality. Without humans, quality collapses. With humans, a stable hybrid AI-human ecosystem emerges. Finally, we present here the key limitations of the model. The model assumes all AI models interact equally, ignoring real-world network structures and selective training data sourcing. The model represents all human-generated content with a single constant quality value m sub h, missing the diversity of human creativity. The model uses linear terms for degradation, interaction, and human input for mathematical tractability, which may not capture complex real-world nonlinear effects. The model parameters alpha, beta, and gamma are fixed, while in reality, they would likely evolve over time based on system performance and human feedback. To learn more about this problem and the methods used, consider these references. That's it for our model, and I would like to thank Python for the plots.